Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss best membership software for the WordPress, right? So let's begin the tutorial. We have first we'll take the MemberPress, right? It has much advanced features that we are looking for. MemberPress, right? Official site. All-in-one plugin for the WordPress, right? So what are the powerful features we have? MemberPress is an easy WordPress membership plugin. It will help you instantly start changing your users to access your content, right? Customers this, and let's get started now. Here you can also check the downloads. uh, this is MemberPress. You can check the downloads from MemberPress. Here we have MemberPress. Let's check the MemberPress menu is there. You can search it from here. Plugins MemberPress 718, right? Members by MemberPress, right? So you can get the premium features that they have. Normally, how many pro features you can check: two-factor authentication, text integration, top authorized .NET integration. So these features they are giving us, so you can go and check which features you like. Next we have I will take the ultimate member, which I have used. Ultimate ultimate member has also very good features. Say it has 1000 downloads, right? Front-end user, front-end registration, and everything. You can, which user can use the content and everything features that we have, right? Next we have the LearnDash. LearnDash official website. You can check the WordPress plugin with this also. Online courses, for you want which one used to assess your content and anything, so you can use the LearnDash. Here then you can use Strict Content Pro S2 member. S2 member memberships. It has 131, so it's again free. So you can use the S2 member with the plus PayPal. They have integrations. Paid memberships pro. You can also check the paid membership pro extension, and you can check all the features. Which features you like it, then you need to accordingly you can buy it the features. And free features: plugin download, install, and 19 free add-ons. Support this and this that we have, right? So these are the top 12 plugins for the usage. My experience, that is free, that is ultimate member. I have used MemberPress is also very good, and simple membership is. So you can use this membership plugins to enable the memberships, so who can access your websites or who not. So this is very good listing, so that you can check and do it accordingly. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.